Hello, this is Eric with South Texas Sport Court. So in this video I just want to show you this custom-made wall mount volleyball net system. Actually, this net can be used for pickleball, badminton, and two heights for volleyball, women's and men's. So this is sort of a custom-made system. Some of the parts came from my local hardware store. The net actually came from Sport Court. You can order these nets through our website. They come in a variety of lengths. This is a kind of a multi-use indoor-outdoor, really lightweight, all-weather net, and it's great. It's lightweight, it's easy to take off, take down, and it's very inexpensive compared to, the typical indoor, real heavy-duty competition volleyball nets. So going with this net really just kept the price down. The net is attached to eye hooks on one side of the wall. So when the owner built this gym, he put framing in the wall because he knew we were going to be putting in some sort of volleyball system. He wasn't really sure what we were doing at the time of construction, but he put a bunch of framing in that we could attach to. So we just went with a 3/8 eye hook, kind of a lag type wood thread, and I think these are about 3 inches, so they hit quite a bit of wood. And then the bottom of the net just attaches with this bungee cord. So based on the height of the net up here, you would move the bungee cord to different locations. So if you're going to play pickleball, the top of the net up here would attach at this eye hook 3 feet off the ground, and then the bungee cord would attach to the eye hook that's down at floor level. And then of course right now we're set up for women's volleyball, but if we're going down here, this is badminton right here, so it's kind of at 5 foot 1 inch. At the other end of the net, we have some parts from a local hardware store. And then we also sourced a worm gear winch. So some winches have the crank on the side, and that wouldn't work because we'd be banging into the wall every time we tried to turn this thing. So this worm gear winch has the handle in the front so that it's very easy to operate. Of course, if we get this bungee cord out of the way, it's even easier. So that would loosen it. We can see that's dropping the net. So this is a very easy to use tensioner, worm gear drive. This is the same worm gear system that Gared Sports puts on their indoor volleyball systems. So we utilized that here. You can also get those through us. We're a dealer for Gared, so we can source Gared Sports products. These little brackets on the wall here, this is actually some gate hardware that I found at the hardware store. This was pre-made, welded, and then this rod actually stuck out about another 4 inches to be a gate latch. We cut it off and then repainted it, and then we put holes here to hit that center stud with these lag screws. These are 4 inches and 3/8 by 4 inches, so this shouldn't ever go anywhere. Again, we've got one up there for men's volleyball, got this one here for women's. So this little belt will just go up and around this bracket and then across to the net. Anyway, that's it. Pretty easy system. If you want to build one of these yourself, you can order the net through us. You can order the worm gear winch through us. Now you can find other worm gear winches online, and I've looked at many of them. This is the most compact worm gear winch that I have found. I haven't found another one. Some of the others I found were probably twice this size, so I wanted something compact, and this kind of meets that criteria. If you have any questions about this, just post a comment here below the video. Thanks for watching. God bless.